Dear viewers, welcome to my new video. Today I show you how to make a flying bird with a piece of paper and a scissor. First, you just look how do I make this. This is a piece of paper. Just you fold like this. This is the first step. This is the first step. Show clearly how do I fold this. This is the first step, and you cut this side, this extra side. You just cut with a scissor. This complete. Now again show this and fold this, and then the second step you just fold this like this. Again I show you how to fold this side same way. You just fold this. Complete. Now you cut here and here the same part with a scissor. This and this also the same size. You cut the same size. This. And turn this. And again you fold here like this. Okay, now you fold again here like this way. Again I show you this and fold this. Now you fold here also this side. And your bird is now complete. This is your bird, and I show you how to it fly. Okay, your bird now is flying. In this way, you make a nice and good flying bird. You can color these wings and this wing, and then your bird will be more colorful and more attractive, and then your bird flying like this. Okay, thank you.